Eh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Fernando Alika Fadiaya dan teman saya Putri Ramadhani. Kita dari kelompok 1 akan membagikan hasil diskusi kita berdua yang akan dibacakan oleh Putri Ramadhani. Putri Ramadhani, dipersilakan.
Terima kasih untuk Fernando. Unit 1, I am Nurse and Simple Present Tenses, Group 1. Table of contents, daily conversation, nursing vocabulary, reading, language daily, pronunciation, how to speak some words, and exercise. Awesome word, daily conversation. Example daily conversation. Amira is Jenny, our friend. They have not met for several years, one upon a time. The meet each other. Look at the following conversation between Amira and Jenny. Amira, hi Jenny, oh my God, it has been a long time. We don't meet. How are you?
Hai Amira, glad to meet you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. We haven't met for years, and now you look so different.
You're right. We have met since we graduated from a senior high school.
Do you working in hospital, Jenny?
Yes, I do. I am a nurse of this hospital.
That sounds great. You must be very busy with your duty.
You're right. I must take care patients, make sure their help doctor in crying patients, and many more.
Awesome. Anyway, do you enjoy your job? Sure, it's my dream to become a nurse. So is feel happy with my job. Nice to hear that.
Anyway, have you worked?
Yes, I am accountant of a private company in the city.
That's cool. You were really keen on accounting when we were in senior high school.
Amira, thank you, Jenny.
Anyway, I can't be longer any longer. I must be back to nurse station.
Sure, good luck with your job, Jenny.
Thank you, Amira.
Language Daily. Direct and supervised care delivery by other healthcare personnel like LPNS and nurse aides. Conduct research in support of improved practice and patient outcome. Assess, observe, and record the patient behavior and the need for restraint. Apply a last resort. Get written order and consent as hospital policy. Communicate with patient and the family. Coordinate with physician and other healthcare professionals for creating and evaluating customized care plans. Provides emotional and psychological support to the patient and their family. Create harmonious environment. Diagnosis the disease by analyzing patient symptoms and taking required action for this here recovery. Carry out the request, the treatment and medication. Check the stock and regular basis for maintaining the inventory level and placing order if required. Then patient and adhere with the protocol, norm, rules, regulation, order to maintain complete medical record, maintain hygiene and safe working environment in compliance with the healthcare procedure. Conducts research for improving the nursing practitioner healthcare outcome. Discussing treatment with pharmacists and physicians in the critical cases. And provide necessary guidance on health maintenance and disease prevention. Next. Untuk arti dari yang sebelumnya, yang pertama, mengarahkan dan mengawasi perawatan yang diberikan oleh personal perawatan kesehatan lain, seperti LPN dan asisten perawat. Yang kedua, melakukan penelitian untuk mendukung peningkatan praktik dan hasil pasien, kaji, amati, dan catat perilaku pasien dan kebutuhan untuk menahan diri. Terapkan upaya terakhir. Dapatkan perintah tertulis dan persetujuan sebagai kebijakan rumah sakit. Berkomunikasi dengan pasien dan keluarga, berkoordinasi dengan dokter dan profesional perawatan kesehatan lainnya untuk membuat dan mengevaluasi rencana perawatan yang disesuaikan, memberikan dukungan emosional, psikologis kepada pasien dan keluarganya. Ciptakan lingkungan yang harmonis, mendiagnosis penyakit dengan menganalisis gejala pasien dan mengambil tindakan yang diperlukan untuk kesembuhannya. Melaksanakan perawatan dan pengobatan yang diperlukan, periksa stok secara teratur untuk mempertahankan tingkat masuk dan menempatkan pesanan jika diperlukan. Ubah obat pasien seperti yang ditunjukkan oleh kondisi dan tanggapan mereka. Mematuhi protokol norma aturan, mematuhi protokol norma aturan dan peraturan untuk memelihara catatan medis yang lengkap, menjaga lingkungan kerja yang higienis dan aman sesuai dengan prosedur perawatan kesehatan, melakukan penelitian untuk meningkatkan praktik keperawatan dan hasil perawatan kesehatan, membahas pengobatan dan apoteker dan dokter dalam kasus kritis, dan yang terakhir memberikan panduan yang diperlukan tentang pemeliharaan kesehatan dan pencegahan penyakit. Nursing and vocabulary translation. Accident and Emergency Admission Department itu artinya kecelakaan dan emergensi. Ambulatory unit, tempat pendaftaran pasien. Anestetik, unit rawat jalan. Brisk screening, unit anestesis. Cardiac medical surgical, unit screening payudara. Unit central sterile supply, ruang perawatan penyakit, departemen, jantung, community health center, ruang tempat pensterilan alat atau linen, corps departemen, puskesmas, critical care, ruang jenazah, critical care unit, unit perawatan kritis, delivery room, ruang bersalin, density unit, klinik gigi, dialisis unit, unit dialisis, discount lounge, ruang pemberhentian, dokter lounge, ruang dokter, nurse entrance, ruang THT, elderly cervical department, ruang perawatan untuk lansia, emergency department, ruang emergency, emergency room, UGD atau AGD. Laboratory staff laboratorium, learning disability nurse, perawat untuk penderita kesulitan belajar, library staff perpustakaan, laundry service, pelayanan laundry, home service manajer kesehatan, manajer pelayanan kesehatan, medical laboratorium asisten laboratorium medis, medical sekretaris medis, mental health nurse, perawat untuk penderita kesehatan jiwa, midwife, bidan, molekular genetik dokter, dokter spesialis genetik, neurosgeuns, dokter bedah saraf, nurse, perawat, nursing assistant, asisten perawat, nurse staff perawat untuk anak di bawah 5 tahun, obstetrik ASEAN, dokter kandungan, ophthalmologis, dokter mata, optometris, ahli periksa mata atau kacamata, ortoptis, ruang ahli masalah mata, ortodontis, dokter bedah mulut, ortopedi, dokter spesialis tulang, trauma, dan luka. Outpatient Departemen, klinik rawat jalan, mediatrik surgical, orthopedic unit, ruang bedah anak, pediatric care center, pusat pelayanan anak, pediatric intensive care unit, ruang perawatan khusus untuk bayi, pediatric cardiac intensive care, ruang perawatan intensif anak, perinatologi, ruang perawatan bayi dengan masalah kesehatan, farmasi, poliklinik, psikiatri unit, surat rujukan, referensi letter, unit endokrin, renal, gastroenterologi, endokrinol unit, unit respirologi unit, ruang perawatan bedah, surgical ward, pusat pelayanan darurat, urgent care center, pusat ruang radiologi. Selanjutnya akan disampaikan oleh Fernando Alika.
Yang A ada administrasi staff, yaitu staf administrasi, ambulan care asisten, asisten pembawa ambulan, ambulan teknisi, ada teknisi ambulan, ada anestesi, dokter anestesi, art terapeutis, ada dokter terapi seni, terus ada audiologis, ada ahli audiologi, ada biomedical sensitif, ada ilmu biomedis, ada kardians psikologis, ada ahli psikologi dan jantung, ada kardiografer, ada ahli kardiografi, ada chartering staff, ada dokter spesialis jantung, ada clamprins, ada rohaniawan, ada children nurse, ada perawat pasien untuk anak. Ada pronunciation, reading. Example article: a nurse practitioner is a type of advanced practice registered nurse. If you are planning to become a nurse practitioner, know that you are reaching toward one of the highest passion in the nursing field. It takes a great deal of time, education, experience, and dedication to become a nurse of this sort. Like other nurse practitioners work to help accommodate and care for patients' health care setting. However, most of the time nurse practitioners have much more responsibility than other type of nurse. In fact, they are often in charge of supervising nursing professionals such as registered nursing and licensed practical nurse. They are also able to actively practice more in their patients' care due to their increased clinical knowledge and patient care requests. Nursing practitioners can also specialize in creating hours most like physicians. Family nursing practitioners, for instance, deal with the general and physical health of patients. In contrast, Paradians nurse practitioners deal primarily with children with Granus nurse practitioner deals primarily with depends on her area that nurse practitioners might specialize in include obstetrics, gynecology, neurology, and anesthesiology. Yang artinya adalah praktisi perawat adalah jenis perawat terdaftar praktik lanjutan. Jika Anda berkelanjutan menjadi praktik perawat, ketahuilah bahwa Anda sedang mencapai salah satu potensi tertinggi di bidang keperawatan. Dibutuhkan waktu, pendidikan, pengalaman, dedikasi untuk menjadi perawat semacam ini. Perawat seperti ini, praktisi perawat bekerja untuk membantu mengakomodasi dan merawat pengaturan perawat pasien. Namun seringkali perawat praktisi memiliki lebih banyak tanggung jawab dibandingkan jenis perawat lainnya. Faktanya, mereka sering bertugas mengawasi profesional keperawatan seperti perawat terdaftar dan perawat praktisi berlisensi. Mereka juga dapat beradaptasi lebih aktif dalam perawatan pasien karena peningkatan pengetahuan klinis dan teknik perawat pasien. Praktisi perawat juga dapat berspesialisasi dalam bidang tertentu, seperti spesialisasi perawat praktisi perawat keluarga misalkan menangani kesehatan umum dan fisik pasien. Sebaliknya, praktisi perawatan pediatri menangani trauma anak, sedangkan praktisi perawat geriatri terutama menangani pasien yang elderly. Area ini mungkin menjadi spesialisasi praktisi perawat termasuk kebidanan ginekologi, neurologi, dan anestesiologi. Answer the following question based on the text. What is a nurse practitioner? What are the responsibilities of a nurse particular? Why is nurse particular the highest portion of being a nurse? Yang keempat ada what area does a nurse practitioner specialist in? Yang kelima, do you want to be a nurse practitioner? Give to the reason. Simple present tense. Simple present tense to for a sense, the simple present tense usually uses the root from verb or verb 1. Example, for the three present using the verb 1 plus subject or es. Subject ada I, you, they, terus di verbnya ada go, terus ada the rest of the, since ada to the school by bus. Terus subjek yang kedua ada she, he, it, verbnya ada goes, terus di the rest of sense-nya ada to the school by bus. We use the present simple. 1. To talk about activity that repeat regularly. Example, Peter goes to walk by bus. My friend learning English. I drink coffee every morning. Terus yang kedua, to talk about present situation and states. EX. Example, I have 2 cats and a dog. We like animals. The Sims do not enjoy big parties. Terus ada lagi yang ketiga, to talk about general truth. EX, the sun rises in the east, in it and sets in the west. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. The earth is round. Yang keempat, to talk about future of physical event or timetables which we cannot change. Example, the train leaves at 6 to 5 p.m. The lesson starts at 8 a.m. We use the present simple. 5. We often use the following time at the release with the present simple. Example, always, usually, regularly, every morning, night, evening, afternoon, often, sometimes, occasionally, from that 2 times, twice a week, relate, seldom, once a month, hardly every, never. Always, usually, contoh-contoh yang tadi di sini, yang kata-kata di sini ada, kita contohin example, I always walk to school. He regularly swim and playing tennis. Some people never tell truth. Ada simple present formula for verbal sense yang akan dibacakan oleh Putri Ramadhani. Putri Ramadhani, dipersilakan.
Formation of simple present tenses. A simple present formula for verbal tenses. Subject plus verb 1 SWS plus complement. Subjeknya if, you, we, and they. Verb 1, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. He, she, it. Verb 1 WS. Verb 1 plus ESWS. I go to school, she go to school. Simple present formula negative verbal sentences. Subject plus do, W doesn't plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Subject I, you, we, they. Auxiliary plus not-nya do not, don't. Verb 1, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Yang kedua, he, she, it, doesn't, not, doesn't, verb 1. I don't go to school, she doesn't go to school. Do, W doesn't, do, subjeknya I, you, we, they, verbnya verb 1, doesn't, his, he, she, it, verb 1. Do you go to school? Doesn't go to school. Simple present formula for nominal sentences. Simple formula for nominal sentences. Subjeknya I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Verbnya am, are, is, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. She is beautiful, I'm strong. Simple present formula negative nominal sentences. Subject plus am, w is, wr plus not plus complement. Subjeknya I, verbnya I'm not, I am not. Complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Subjeknya you, we, and they. Verbnya are, not. Complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Subjeknya she, subjeknya he, she, and it. Verbnya is not. Complementnya object, adjective, adverb. She is not beautiful, I am not strong. Simple present formula interrogative nominal sentences. I am, W is, are plus subject plus complement. Auxiliary-nya I'm, subjeknya I, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Auxiliary-nya are, subjeknya you, we, and they, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Auxiliary-nya is, subjeknya he, she, it, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. She is she beautiful, I am strong. Question using what, who, where, when, why, and how. WH plus do plus doesn't plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. WH do, W doesn't, do, subjeknya I, you, we, and they. Verbnya verb 1, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. WH do, doesn't, subjeknya he, she, it. Verbnya verb 1, complementnya object, adjective, adverb. Where do you go? Where doesn't she go? Question using what, who, where, when, why, and how. WH plus M is, are plus subject. WH auxiliary-nya M, subjeknya I. Are, you, they, you, we, they. WH is it. Where are you? Where is here? Where is he? Present simple spelling rules. Match verb text in the first person singular he, she, and it. Next aja kalian, Dok. Example synthesis simple present tenses. Simple present tenses to indicate the current recurring event. Example-nya, I take the motorcycle to the office. B. Georgie sleeps 7 hours every night during the week. Number 2, simple present tenses to show a fact. Example-nya, A. The President of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. B. Indonesia has 34 provinces from Sabang to Merauke. 3. Simple present tenses to denote an habit. Example-nya, Doni gets up early at 5 o'clock. B. John takes a bath with a day. Time signal simple present tense. Awas selalu, serul biasanya lazim, generally biasanya umumnya, normally biasanya, usually biasanya, often seringkali, never tidak pernah, regularly secara tetap, sometimes kadang-kadang, seldom jarang, steadily selalu, terus-menerus, frequently seringkali, every day setiap hari, every other day 2 hari sekali berselang sehari, every Sunday setiap hari Minggu, every week setiap minggu, setiap pekan, now and then kadang-kadang.
Nah, itu presentasi dari grup 1. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Saya Fernando Alika Fadiyahaya dan Putri Ramadhani mengundurkan diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.